Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap IT company where Akash Prakash's Amansa Holdings has bought 13,94,728 shares amounting to a 1.05% stake during the last quarter. His stake in the December quarter is now up to 6.30% from 5.25% at the end of the September quarter. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. We are also providing the link to our free Telegram channel in the description of the video. Please go ahead and click on the link to join the group. This being a discussion channel can also be used by the participants to ask questions and share knowledge. Please watch this video to know more about this stuff. Now the company in question is Intellect Design Arena Limited, which is available at rupees 152.25 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is INTELLECT. Now Intellect Design Arena Limited engages in the provision of financial technology for banking, insurance and financial services. Its digital platform enables products with the following line of businesses, which are global consumer banking, risk, treasury and markets, global transaction banking, central banking and insurance. The company was founded on April 18, 2011 and is headquartered in Chennai, India. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company was on an uptrend for about the half of the year, but since then has been a huge laggard. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 2013.73 crores. The EPS of 3.23 translates into a very expensive price to earnings ratio of 47.14, which is much more expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 22.99. The price to book ratio of 1.96, however, is not widely expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.2418, whereas the return on equity is a depressed number at 0.0440. The company did not pay out any dividends, whereas its promoter holding is also below average at 31.47%. None of the promoters' holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.